Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now, if you are using PayPal to do business, either you're a Nigerian or a Ghanaian or any country at all, you're using PayPal and you are getting this kind of message like what you see on the screen right now. Your PayPal account is currently limited. Do not panic. I'm going to show you a simple step you're going to take to resolve this problem. All right, guys. So if today is your first day on my channel, I beg of you, hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new videos. Okay, guys, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please like this video, comment, PayPal, and also share this video. Thank you very much. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. All right, so you have received this message from PayPal. Your PayPal account is currently limited. Now, messages like this, if this is your first time, is usually heartbreaking, especially if you have some money in your PayPal account. All right, and most of the time, if you are from a non-eligible PayPal country like Nigeria, in Nigeria you cannot really receive payment using PayPal. You can only send money. All right, but to some of us that are working online, we found different ways of creating PayPal account. Like what you're seeing here is PayPal UAE. All right, United Arab Emirates. That is the PayPal I'm using right now. I know so many Nigerians are using this very PayPal, but it doesn't matter which PayPal you're using. What matters is that you need to get this limited notice, this limited account resolved. Okay, so if that is what you're looking for, then let's go to my PayPal account. Let me walk you through. All right, first off, you need to log into your PayPal account that is affected. All right, that is the affected PayPal account. I'm going to log in again to my account, guys. So I've logged into my PayPal account. You can see I have $96 in this account, and I was just trying to make payment somewhere when I got that notice that my account is currently limited. All right, so how do you resolve this? It doesn't matter whether you are from eligible country or not. All you need to do is to scroll down. Once you log in to your PayPal account, then you scroll down, you will see this notification. It says, we noticed that you've been using your PayPal account in a questionable manner. To understand this better, we need more information from you. You will need to provide the requested information to regain full access. So all you need to do is to click to see the information that they are asking of you. All right, so just that. Okay, so now you have opened it. You see the impact of this action from PayPal is that you will not be able to make payment using PayPal. You cannot fund money to customer. You cannot refund money to customers. You cannot send money or payment. You can't send money or payment. You cannot withdraw from this very account, but you can receive money or payment. You understand? Okay, so what do? Your account access is temporarily limited. We notice that blah 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 blah. So all you need to do is to come down here and check the things that they are asking of you. Now in my own case, they are asking of my photo ID, so which I have submitted my NIN. As a Nigerian, you can choose. It can be driver's license. It could be any other kind of government issued ID card. Okay, so I've submitted mine, and I've also provided your business information. They're going to ask you a few things about your business, but this is not always the case, because last month when one of my PayPal account was temporarily restricted like this, they were not asking me this. They were rather asking me for a proof of delivery to customer and all of that. So in this case, they are asking me of my business information. Now it says submit your bank statement. Now I know to some of us we're like, wow, I'm not residing in the in the country where I opened the account. How do I send my bank statement? You don't need to worry. Now the bank statement they are going to ask you is actually the bank statement that you linked to your PayPal. In my own case, I linked my Payoneer account, my Payoneer US account to my PayPal. So when I receive payment on PayPal, I usually transfer that money to my US bank account. From there, I transfer it to my domiciliary account. Okay, so to those of you that don't have US bank account and you're interested, you can watch the next video or search my channel for USA, how to open a USA bank account. So, okay, now that is not what this video is about. So all you need to do is submit your NIN, driver license, and whatever you have, submit to PayPal. Don't bother about the fact that you're in Nigeria or Ghana or anywhere that PayPal is restricted. Provide your business information, tell them what you do, and then your bank statement. So what I simply did, I went to my Payoneer account and I was able to immediately generate this bank statement from my Payoneer. All right, so I immediately generated this bank statement and I sent it to them. And so the moment they receive it, it will take about he said we are reviewing your information and we get back to you regarding the status of your blah blah account within 1 day. So that means in the next 24 hours this account is expected to get restored. Okay, so don't panic if you have this kind of notification. So after I submitted every information they required from me, I got this message from PayPal saying your information is being reviewed. The information you submitted is currently being reviewed by PayPal. Once we complete our review, we get back to you regarding the status of your account in 1 business day. Thank you for your patience. So PayPal is actually doing this to safeguard your account. Okay, so don't panic, guys. And if this information is useful to you, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and just type PayPal. Just type PayPal and that will be nice. Okay, just type PayPal and like this video. Like this video, guys. Just like it now. Hit that subscribe button now and thank me later. Bye.